gist of the interview at the outset, he was just contending that the weapon had been purchased for personal safety, that his father had just recently passed. He felt he was a man of the house and that he needed to protect the family. So at the outset, he was sort of coy as to the reasons why he had the weapon. The police indicated to him in the course of conversation that they knew more than he realized they knew, that in fact had been engaging in conversations with people in the community as well as people outside of the state regarding radical Islamic ideology, and that he subscribed to this ideology. It appeared to them that he had been sort of seduced by the radical Islamic ideology that's been put forth by the group in the Middle East that's known as ISIS, and that he believed in ISIS and believed in the mission and believed that what they were doing was just and that it was his desire to join them. He indicated he had been collaborating with an individual in North Carolina and that they had been formulating a plan to get together, commit some criminal acts in North Carolina, but ultimately their goal was to travel to the Middle East and join ISIS to wage jihad, and that this pistol, the purpose of the pistol was to further that ambition. Now, there was a subsequent interview, which I don't believe Your Honor has been privy, in which the defendant indicated to law enforcement that he was in fact intending to go to Raleigh, that the individual there who he was collaborating with, who was also subscribed to the radical Islamic ideology, that individual and he intended to rob a gun store, obtain additional weapons, and that their plan was to find a military base somewhere in North Carolina and attack soldiers on the military base, shooting them in retaliation for the U.S. airstrikes on ISIS in the Middle East. So,
and would you please stand? What would you like to tell me, son?
I would just like to say, like, I regret everything, and it was just hard on me because of what was going on. And I really, in my heart, I never had no intention to do nothing here. And it was just, everything happened so quick. It was just like, I couldn't think through, and I got arrested, and I really started to think and erase everything in my mind that happened in the past. And I just wanted to start new if I get out, and just, because my sister needs me, and my sister's in college, and my mom also needs me, and I started thinking more about that. And I also want to go back to school, work how I used to do, and just change everything that I did in the past and have a new life. And I really and sincerely, I regret everything in the past, and I won't ever come by this stuff again. And it's just, I just regret it. And if I get out, I hope so. I'm going to be a completely different person, and I won't get anything that will bring me near this type of stuff again. And I really miss, everything. And it's very hard on me also to be in jail because I keep thinking about my family and how they need me and stuff. And when I was in jail, I tried to be very good and cooperate with everyone there and get away from problems because I had mine. I mean, I still got a chance, and I can start new again. And